Hi friends, this is Sarinath. You are watching Tech Content English YouTube channel. In this video, let's compare Moto G 5G mobile specifications with the OnePlus Nord G specifications. The reason for choosing these two mobiles for comparison is both the mobiles has connectivity 5G support and many other key specifications are similar, and finally the price range is between 20 to 25k. Moto G 5G price is about 20,999 rupees for 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage option. Whereas OnePlus Nord price is 24,999 rupees for 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage variant. Display: Moto G 5G has 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with HDR10 along with 60 Hz refresh rate. Whereas OnePlus Nord has 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus along with 90 Hz refresh rate. So OnePlus Nord has a better option for display as well as for refresh rate. Network: both the mobiles will support for 5G network. However, Moto G 5G will support all the bands within the 5G network, whereas OnePlus Nord will support only one band out of the 5G networks. So Moto G 5G will have a better option here if you are looking for any 5G with multiple bands support. Chipset and processor: Moto G 5G has Snapdragon 750G with 8 nanometer technology and along with this 2.2 GHz clock speed. OnePlus Nord has Snapdragon 765G with 7 nanometer technology and the clock speed of 2.4 GHz support. So OnePlus Nord will perform slightly better than Moto G 5G. RAM: Moto G 5G we have 4 GB RAM and 6 GB RAM options. In OnePlus Nord we have 6 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM variants. Storage or memory: Moto G 5G has 64 GB and 128 GB variants and have an option for expandable memory up to 1 TB. In OnePlus Nord, we have 64 GB memory option for 6 GB RAM, 128 GB and 256 GB memory options for 8 GB RAM, and there will not be any expandable memory slot. So Moto G 5G will have a better option here, which has 128 GB memory for 6 GB RAM, and also we have an expandable memory slot. Rear camera: Moto G 5G has triple rear camera setup with 48 megapixel primary sensor with f1.7 aperture. We have also 8MP and 2MP other sensors. Whereas OnePlus Nord has rear quad camera setup with 48 megapixel primary sensor with f1.8 aperture. Other sensors include 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixels. When compared to the rear camera pictures, Moto G 5G pictures will have a more sharpness and better quality compared to the OnePlus Nord camera quality pictures. Also, low lighting and indoor camera pictures are not that great in OnePlus Nord. Front camera: Moto G 5G has 16 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. OnePlus Nord has 32 megapixel primary sensor with f2.5 aperture along with 8 megapixel other sensor. So OnePlus Nord has a better camera quality pictures compared to Moto G 5G. However, low lighting camera pictures are not that great. Operating system: both the mobiles work on Android 10. However, Moto G 5G comes with stock Android experience, whereas OnePlus Nord has custom skin Oxygen OS 10.5.9. Battery: Moto G 5G has 5000 mAh battery along with 20 watt fast charge support, whereas OnePlus Nord comes with 4115 mAh battery along with 30 watt fast charge support. Moto G 5G has rear mounted fingerprint sensor, whereas OnePlus Nord has in-display fingerprint sensor. Mobile weight. Moto G 5G has 212 grams weight, whereas OnePlus Nord comes with 184 grams weight. So you may feel Moto G 5G is little bulky. So on the overall impression, Moto G 5G is more worthy for its price compared to the OnePlus Nord with its price. Hope I have given the complete information required for you to judge which mobile you want to buy. If you like my video, please do subscribe, share, comment and hit a bell icon to receive my next videos. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video.